What up, y'all? It's Mel and Keisha back with another Eating Chat. I'm Mel,
I'm Keish.
and this is a walk in a fat woman's shoes. Welcome back, MK Saints, super fans. Welcome, visitors, and pass it throughs. Hope you like it. Hit the subscribe button. Become a family. Tonight's Eating Chat. Um, we have steak.
Yeah.
But I guess we'll get into detail later. We drinking on that good old H2O.
Y'all know Big Girl ain't here, but she will do what? Save you in a crisis. Yes, she will. Yes, she will. You know she will. And how to get a big girl, a big swole, or a big baby, or even a male baby will be in the description box below. So you go on get you one. Click that link. Go on get you one. You owe it to yourself. Go on do it. Go on do it. You ready?
You always fail to mention that Big Gert is a
I'm
coldest
sorry,
water
Big
bottle.
Gert is the coldest water. I'm sorry, coldest water. I'm sorry, y'all. But Big Gert comes from the coldest water. So y'all go on get y'all one. Go on, do it. Go on, do it. You ready? God is good. God is great. Thank you for the meal about your seed. Bless your holy name. Bless your prayers in the meal. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. So what's going on with you guys tonight? Let us know what y'all eating and if y'all eating with us. Also let us know what's going on in y'all nigga woods house. You wasn't drinking. What y'all did today? Y'all know I want to know. I'm nosy.
I just did that because y'all always be, what's wrong with Mel? Why she always gotta have a stank face? That's how I feel. Now that smile is
always
gone.
just.
I have a ribeye steak, pan fried with onions, peppers, and tomatoes.
And I have a ribeye, but I did mine country fried steakish. And I have some shrimp that I baked with garlic, parsley, butter seasoning that I made. And my steak, I have instead of just having the flour mixture, I have um, what the things is pork skins and Parmesan cheese, and my own little seasonings to it.
Wow,
So yeah,
Mel. Usually after Keisha say grace, you eat. I really don't.
feel like
I'm
it.
going to eat, but I've already really eaten today like a real meal. And when I eat real meals, I don't, I, one meal normally sustains me.
Get that. Mm.
Why I always get the stumped on fork?
Want to switch?
Y'all want to switch.
Mm-hmm.
You eating already.
Yeah.
Wow. And we have another one, and they always bring me the stumped on one.
Mm.
Thank you.
Yeah, my baby ate an almond for the day, so you know that's why she's kind of full.
Shoot, my almond.
I didn't put no Can you stop that while we doing this video, please? Thank you, Grandma. Um, we ain't gonna be that long. I ain't put no gravies on here.
No who?
Gravies,
Who?
gravies.
What is
You may
gravy?
call it gravy. I call it gravies. Like strawberries, raspberries, berries. That's a piece of fat. Okay. I'm not right-handed, so that just looked it all kind of crazy. These are my tiger shrimp I got from Aldi's. I started to put a crust on them, and I was like, nah, I'm just going on, leave them alone.
Shrimp like lobster, the bigger the all, the trashy they are.
Not these.
Mm.
Not these. Come hand me this paper towel, please. Because I already used this paper towel for my trash. So what's up with y'all? So ain't no talking like that, you know. Let me just.
Thursday I go back to the dentist. So I'm trying to eat meat.
As much as she can.
Because I haven't decided which ones to take out. But I know whichever ones they are, it's gonna stop me from eating.
Would you like me to take you back to Babies before?
No. I don't know how. Baby was good.
Mm-hmm.
But even though with traffic and whatnot, it took us almost an hour to get home. I'm good.
I didn't mind it. I like riding, so that didn't bother me. Mm. Y'all feel that? I don't know. I told her next time we go, we gonna sit in there, but if she ain't gonna be able to eat, I ain't gonna.
Ew.
Who do you want to go with?
I be able to eat my favorite thing you got.
Potatoes.
Right.
Them potatoes are so good. You ain't even need the gravies. Nothing.
They were awesome. Man.
I'm good.
Trying to decide for Easter. Guess I am making that potato salad after all.
Right there.
Because I get my teeth pulled the week before Easter.
Oh man. That's pretty.
Even if you're here, I'm still not gonna have no teeth to eat. That's why I'm thinking about going for the gusto, so I can hurry up and get this over with, so I can get dentures. As long as they taking, I'm gonna have to get a partial shoot.
Right.
The dentist I went to, I know I'm not going to him for dentures. He wants something like 2,200. I was like, shit.
But it's probably about that.
What?
It's probably about that.
What?
22.
My dentist told me 4,500. You know my dentist before I changed?
That's a dog cool.
Well,
I'm gonna tell you because you still gotta make up fun. But yeah, you did say they started at 5. And that's start at.
but then again, I ain't been to her since this pandemic started.
Right. She probably went up. Like
She did
everything and
go up.
everybody.
You know, she used to charge 80 to pull the tooth.
Mm-hmm.
Now she charge 100.
Mm. I mean, that ain't bad though.
For a simple tooth that ain't in the front, it ain't in the back. I mean, it ain't in the back.
Mm-hmm.
That is. Then I went to her sometimes. Some of them teeth would be so loose. She should have gave me a discount for pulling it.
Stupid.
No. I remember one time I went to her and I had a tooth that I wanted her to pull, and my hand, you could see it shaking back and forth. She went, stop doing that. I was like, I ain't gonna break it.
Shoot, that's how my dentist is, you know. This tooth right here in the front, yeah, gotta come out. It's so loose.
Something
I'm
was
scared
hot
to
in
pull
that.
it.
That had to been black pepper. I don't
Probably.
know. This season ain't all that great. Mm. Oh wow. I just thought of something.
What?
You know, I had planned on making baskets
Mm-hmm.
for the two dudes, the two little boys.
The two youths.
And they had more stuff. Easter a big holiday for y'all?
It used to be.
Y'all used to
My
like it?
grandma used to, I took a making basket. I used to go get them commercial baskets at the store that we did not like because they didn't have stuff she would put in our basket. So she was like, you know what? Fuck y'all. Yep. Just like that. Fuck y'all.
Mm-mm. Oh, yeah. So we was about 10. My grandma would make us baskets.
Mm-hmm.
The thing about my grandma basket was you can never take the basket home.
What?
Mm-mm.
Why not?
Before you go home, she'll give you a bag. And tell you dump your stuff in that bag. And you take the basket in the grass and use it next year.
Mm. You know what? Small thinking.
Till she started making our baskets in quart storage bags.
Mm.
I was like, whatever. I don't know. We was talking to a man about Easter candy, and he was talking about his favorite part of Easter was after the Easter egg hunts, they'll make
Mm.
potato salad and egg salad and deviled eggs. We ain't never have no eggs like that. We'll go by my grandma's house. We'll dye a few eggs and whatnot. And I think everybody got like 2 eggs. One little Easter egg hunt. Now when we go to the country, we might have an Easter egg hunt though, cause I had a lot of cousins out there.
Now we did those.
Easter egg hunts.
Mm-hmm. He used to be big in the coat. Because it wasn't just us, it was our friends that lived in the court, this court, and the German court. And behind us, they'll do it all in the court where my grandma, where we stayed at. And it would be big. All, everybody in the court would pitching, help out and stuff. It was nice. It was nice.
Well, you have to understand. My grandma ain't have no yard. Her house was in the 7th ward, what used to be old slave quarter type stuff. And her backyard was like maybe 10 feet long, but it was only like 3 feet wide.
That was good.
And that's as far as we was allowed. And we was only allowed about maybe, well no, it was probably about 15 feet. And we was only allowed about 10 feet of that. And most of the time we didn't go out there without her, because nobody wasn't trying to mess with Rennie. And Rennie was bigger than us.
Oh, the dog.
Yeah. Rennie was a German Shepherd Collie mix. And he was
Damn.
big. But he lived with my grandma. My grandma said, Rennie. Sometimes that's all she had to say to him.
He was like, huh? Probably be like, huh? Damn, I'm coming. Oh, man. Whew, I have.
Don't she want us to go water her plant? She'll make Rennie go get in his doghouse.
I have a fourth of steak and 4 shrimp.
And she told us, bring a cup of water out there with you.
Why?
Because if we came out of the doghouse, if you're wet him, he'll go right back in.
Oh. Well, wait, wasn't one named King?
Mm-mm.
It wasn't King. What was it?
Baby.
Prince? Okay.
She
I
did
remember
have a
Prince. I remember Prince.
Prince was a Maltese. That was my cousin dog. Girl, Rennie was before your time.
Really? I know that. That's why I say I remember Prince.
And after Rennie, she had Queenie. Queenie died. So she got cats.
What? I didn't say that.
She got rid of the cats though. And didn't have nothing for a while. Then my cousin got Prince. And that was some crazy stuff to me. She used to call herself Princess. And she named her dog Prince.
That was creepy.
No, you wanna know what was creepy about Prince? Prince was a nasty ass little dog. Like, they never trained him to go outside because he was so small.
Mm.
My mama ain't care about that shit.
Carry your ass out there, though.
Right, I don't care about that shit either.
Right.
My mama Min Pin was only 5 pounds. And that heifer went outside to use the bathroom. Your ass get lost, that's on you.
I know that's real.
Shit. Visa wasn't playing that shit. Now, you did have to watch Doobie dumbass. But then again, we used to put them on leashes and walk them to the condo. So you know they had that glass lot. You know. But no. My friend was trying to do something for Good Friday and Easter weekend.
Wait, this weekend is Good Friday and Sunday
No,
is
2
Easter?
weeks.
Oh, not now. I'm talking about
2
okay.
weeks.
All right. I was saying, I ain't even give my baby nothing. I mean, I've been buying him little things here and you know, like Dollar Tree or whatever when we go or whatever. I give him little things like that, but he used to nanny, you know, bringing the heat. You heard me? So, and I ain't get him nothing like that. I don't even know what I'm getting him for his birthday. All I know is that he wants what that is? What them children is? They superheroes.
A cell phone.
Yeah, he want a cell phone. And see, the problem with the cell phone, I would get him a cell phone. But my thing with the cell phone is I want the parental locks on him. I don't want him to be able to stumble up on nothing he's not supposed to see. And I don't know if his mama gonna agree with that, but at the same time, I mean, your child is 6, making 7. There's a lot of things he shouldn't see on the internet. You know what I'm saying? And I need the parental lock. I need to have that guarantee that he is going to have the parental locks on that cell phone. You know, because, you know, I mean, then they'll get him a cell phone. You know what I'm saying? There ain't no problem. I just need that. You know, that guarantee that he's going to have the parental locks.
You don't believe teamwork is the dream work. And what I mean by that is, I have no problem getting him a phone. None at all.
What, as long as it's here?
No. Because the phone I'm going to get him, he can only call me, his nanny, his mom, and his daddy.
You won't get him a jitterbug? He likes to play games. Babe, my phone be flooded with games, babe. I don't be having no room to create content, to do nothing. Nanny, can I see your phone? And when I get my phone back, man, my phone is all type of games on my damn phone. I be like, okay, well, let me go in and take this picture. Not enough room. Let me take this video. Not enough room. Really?
That would be fine. But he be playing games he shouldn't even be playing.
That's the reason I want the parental locks, because that will take care of that too.
No.
Well, it ain't gonna have some money that's going to take care of it.
He just needs a phone in case of emergency. That's it.
Yeah, because he got tablets. He got one here and by his mama. You know, his phone broke over there by his mama.
That's it, y'all.
Yeah, he can't do no more.
What? Even Keisha stopped?
Yeah. You know, I'm learning you have to know when to stop. I'm learning that you have to know when to, say, you're full. Bitch, you're full. Put it down. Put it down.
Now, does that count for everything?
Yeah. I will show y'all my weight loss for March. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited about it, but I don't know.
They could have the steak for
I don't know if I should wait.
But I'm going to take them vegetables in the morning. I'm going to throw some eggs on that shit.
Do y'all think I should wait to show y'all, it'll be on the Quiche TV, but do y'all think I should wait to show y'all what my weight is till June 7 when me and Curtis actually weigh ourselves,
people,
in the finale, or show y'all like month to month?
We're separate, dude. It ain't no walk in a fat woman's shoes.
Oh yeah, I gotta go in the thing and do that. No, I'm the Quiche and she's Mel Baby.
I think it's Mel Baby 1976. I don't know, because whenever they notify me of stuff, it say Mel Baby 18, and I'll be like, where did that come from?
Right.
But anyway,
So you gonna start doing TikToks?
If you follow me on, I don't know if I want to do TikToks.
Yes.
And if I do TikToks, it's not gonna be the kind of TikToks you think.
But babe, you'd be good at it.
Good at what?
Doing TikTok. I don't know what you would do. I'm just saying, whatever you decide to do, you'll be good at it. Hey, I believe in you, kid.
Whatever. You Sheriff John Brown.
What?
You Sheriff John Brown.
Who is that?
You ain't never heard I shot the sheriff?
I've heard something about it, but I don't know nothing about all that.
Go listen to I Shot the Sheriff.
Okay. No.
Well, it doesn't matter.
So you gonna shoot me? I'm the sheriff. He shot the sheriff, but he ain't shoot the deputy.
Right.
So he shot the sheriff. So you say, you gonna shoot me?
Why would I shoot you?
Why you call me the Judge Joe Brown? Whatever his name is, I said Judge
Sheriff
Joe Brown.
John Brown.
Anyway, we are full.
Man.
We hope y'all enjoyed this video. We love y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for coming and watching and rocking with us. And until next time, we're going to flush it down and dig you later. Because I know y'all can pick up what we up for now. You hear me? Peace.
I was trying to have a little more conversation.
Go ahead.
But she cut me off talking about peace and get out of here and go say what you're saying. What is there more for me to say at that point? I would only just be able to say my outro, which is peace, and call it a night.
They say what you're saying. A lot of times you cut me off, and that's why I said it early, because you always be cutting off the quiche. I'm quiche, and she always cut me off.
I think I just don't know what I would do on TikTok, do.
Cook. Or show you food, or, whatever.
What I want to show you my food for?
Do the watch challenge.
I don't think I'm about to be doing all that. I'm not no dancer.
Oh, I know.
What?
Not bad.
I don't know. Maybe I'm going to try my hand at a few jokes or something.
So you're going to be a comedian. Go ahead. Fuck, I mean, we funny, period, and stuff, when it's not forced, when you don't have to force it and you be just talking and shit. I mean, we be having people up in stitches, you hear me? We be having them in stitches. It's like, cause you're not being forced, like having to stand on stage and do it. I always want to do that, but I'm like, no, because what if, the jokes that I make, they don't get delivered right, you know what I'm saying? But when it's not forced and it just, man, lives of the party.
To the point now where I'm at, my face is about being cool. And this is why I always wear long sleeves.
You're what?
I'm cold.
I'm sorry, baby.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I was hot. When I put this wig on, after I combed it and stuff, put the shirt on, I started sweating my ass off. I'm like, man, no.
Man, put a couple of ice cubes up under that bitch.
Up under what?
Up under your wig.
Oh, right. I do some shit like that and I'm raining and shit. Be like, is Keisha all right? Yeah. She listened to her fucking woman. Her dumb ass listened to her woman talking about put some ice under that.
Put it in the sandwich bag.
Then my wig go ahead me looking like a cone head, but then again, you always cutting my head off, so ain't nobody gonna know.
Right.
I was joking, bitch.
Put a few cubes up there. You'll be all right.
Lord, see, this girl here, she is something else.
I'm cold, shit.
Well, anyway, y'all, we hope y'all enjoyed this video.
I've been up all day.
I have too. When you saw me sleep, soon as you went out the door and you rattled them down on keys, I'm up. But I wasn't even asleep that long. I only slept like 10 minutes, because I hadn't been asleep all night last night.
I wonder why. Whose fault was that? Okay, well, answer me this. Who put on Love After Lockup?
Huh?
Who put on Love After Lockup?
You told me I could. You said I could. You was like, let's watch Love After Lockup, bitch. I'm like, all right, bitch, let's do it.
You gonna sit there and lie on me like that? This bro here, she was like, "Babe, you wanna watch Love After Lockup?" I was like, that's up to you.
Now you gonna lie like that?
I ain't trying to be up all that time. I said, how many you got? She was like 122. I was like,
bitch, I know
wow.
you lying. That girl, she lying. She lying.
Yeah, I'm lying on 122. It was only 4 episodes. But they were all over an hour long. It was not my fault you were woke all night.
Yes, it was. Because how would I had even... No. I gotta bring it down. How would I even much knew about that if when you got up and I was getting ready to go myself to sleep, somebody gets up, sit in the chair, bloop, cut the light on. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't mind sleeping in the light because I'm scared of the dark. But damn, bitch, you got the big ass Soul Train light on the big spotlight. You got the big ass spotlight on the bitch. I'm like, what?
Hey, did I not ask you? Do you mind if I add this other light bulb to this? Didn't I ask you that? And you was like, go ahead, babe, it don't bother me. I like it like that. I was like, okay. That's not the truth?
But nobody told you to put the big spotlight on me.
Well,
all that so she can look at her phone. Don't your phone have light?
Not really. I keep it dim. But you do know light stops the phone. You can't see it. You have a text message.
That's the lottery.
Oh, darn.
See?
I thought it was one of your sons and you was going to call him so I could go to sleep.
No. See?
No, I don't want to see.
See? Look, bitch. It's the pick 3844.
Did you buy one?
No.
Well, then what fucking difference does it make? And that's why you ain't got no room on your phone. All them damn notifications and shit.
I have to know when my people are uploading videos.
You don't buy lottery tickets all the time. You don't need notifications.
But I need to know. Yeah, I do need to know when all the lottery come out. Because every now and again I still do buy tickets. I bought a Mega Million. When? Well, that played already, so.
Oh, yeah?
It played already.
Oh.
I ain't get jacked.
And she talk about me.
What?
You buying tickets, sneaking and hiding them and shit.
Sneaking, whatever.
But
girl, you is tripping because you already know. You already know. Right hand to God on everything I love. We get a lottery ticket and that bitch said such and such. And I have all them numbers. Bitch, I don't give a fuck if you sleep, you got a headache, y'all skiing, you plowing snow. Bitch, I don't give a fuck if you're out there motherfucking kicking field goals, bitch. Bitch. We didn't hit the motherfucking lottery. Bitch, it's time to move. Right. Bitch, it's time to move. But she said she's cutting her number off. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm keeping my damn number. I'm going to keep everything the same. All I'm going to be is just Keish with a little more money than I had before. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. It's just things.
My uncle always tell me when he called me, oh, I ain't heard from you in some weeks. Y'all must have hit the lottery. And I always have to remind him, if I answer this phone, we didn't hit no lottery.
Trust.
Because
she ain't answering hers.
Because if I hit the lottery and you call my phone, this is what you gonna hear. The message you called is no longer in service. The message is no longer in service. This phone is no longer in service.
Hello there. How you doing? I'm like, is Mel available? Babe, you available?
Yes. Keep your phone number. You ain't gonna be able to tell me no shit like that.
Be like, babe, you available? Nah. But like I said, it's just a thing. I'll still be the same Keisha because I'm still doing my YouTube, bitch.
I'm not saying I'm not willing to help people.
Oh no,
I'm just saying.
Come on now.
Once you get your little cherry, stop coming ask for more.
Right.
Don't be all of a sudden this came up. But bitch, I gave you like $50,000. How something came up that you couldn't pay for?
Right.
It? You didn't buy no house. You didn't
Right.
buy no new car. How something came up that you can't fucking pay for it?
And even though I give family members, my goal is to help other people, random people that I don't know, because they.
That's not what I'm saying.
That's.
So you saying you'll hit the lottery and not give your family nothing?
I didn't say that. I said even though I'll help some of my family.
Matter of fact,
even though I help some of my family,
how much it is,
my goal is to help
I could go so
people
far
that I
as to
don't
give them
know.
$1 million. But look, once you done blew through that, don't come back to me. Like we hit 22. What it is? 222 million.
221.
We hit that. I could give all my family members $1 million that I fuck with, and I could give all them $1 million.
Yeah, but I have family members that be like, I don't need your money. I'm good. Guess what? You don't need it. I ain't my bitch. I ain't never told you I was giving you none.
That's why they did that, so that they don't get their feelings hurt when you don't give them none.
Yeah, get the attitude and then nostril, bitch. I ain't asked you for $1. Did I ask you for anything, bitch? I ain't never told you I was giving you none. So
that's like Alonzo. We was talking about hitting the lottery, and Keisha was like, "I'll buy you your own house." He was like, "But I'm gonna have to live there by myself." And then she was like, "No, baby, your parents will live there with you." The whole attitude, changed his whole attitude.
I ain't live there with them.
I don't even want a house. I was like, wow.
Yeah.
But yeah, boy. I would give who I mess with. Well, some that I mess with. Because I think if I give my uncle $1 million, I'm just putting him in the grave.
Well, can give my uncle, give one of my aunties, well, two of my aunties, which was my uncle's ex-wife and my auntie P.
What they have to do with what I said?
Cause when you said that, I thought about my uncle. I'm like,
I ain't got no uncles I could give nothing to either. I only got one uncle I would give money to. One.
No uncle I could.
And I have like 100 uncles. I would only give one uncle money. Let me see. 6 of them left, 2 of them female. So I got like 7, 8 uncles. 7 uncles still alive. Only one getting a piece of it.
Shit, that be the uncle I want to give something to.
You can give it to him. He'll appreciate it. I only got one uncle who getting a piece of that pie.
Yeah.
I'm going to be a philanthropist. And that's why I say I'm going to change my phone number. Because once you know I'm in, that's... Because let's be real. Even if me and Keisha split that down the middle, $110 million. I'm getting up there in age as it is.
Right.
I'm not looking to buy the $1 million RV. I'm not looking to have the mansion house. And so, what am I gonna do with it?
All right.
The most I'd have to be a philanthropist. You know, set up a few college funds and whatnot. Well, not a few, but enough. You know,
right.
Donate to institutions of higher learning and a few other things. But there's not much I could do at that point. And I told my sons, if I give them $1 million, y'all mess it up, that's on y'all. Don't even try to come live with me after you done fucked it off. Cause you ain't gonna know where I live.
Right. Because with that million, you should be in bought you a house.
At one time when I had plans of the lottery, I wanted to buy enough land and build a family compound. No, I don't even want to live around y'all no more. I'm good.
Right.
Build me a couple of houses for my servant quarters and stuff, and I'm good. And that the messed up part about that is those houses probably be bigger than mine.
My thing is money is not gonna change me. I know that it won't.
Change me how?
No. I'm saying from my perspective, it's not gonna change me. Like I said, I'm gonna still be the same Keish, still doing YouTube, all that shit. Because let's be real, what the hell I'm gonna be doing just because I got money? I got to be going somewhere? No, no.
You tripping?
I mean, don't get me wrong. We gonna go places and stuff, but come on now. Eventually, you get sick of that. Eventually, you get sick of always running.
That's not running.
Well, shit. I'll be in Cancun still doing YouTube.
I don't want to go to Mexico. I'm good.
Switzerland, Alaska.
I want to see the U.S. first.
Yeah.
But I'm going to have a big enough RV because at that point, I want me either a pair of German Shepherds or a pair of Rottweilers. No, I don't want Rottweilers. Them fuckers too stubborn. Maybe a pair of Pit Bulls. And they're going to need room. You know, for when I'm not driving. It's not like I'm going to stake them out in the forest, you know.
We're almost coming up on 50 minutes, y'all. Yesterday, it was me talking more.
Have a good
and
night,
it was
y'all.
like this.
Y'all be blessed. Stay safe. And love your families.
We love
Till
y'all.
next time, peace, love, and hair grease.